Here's how we like to bake French fries. These are tender in the middle, caramelized, and crisp on the outside.
We use baking potatoes. We don't peel, but you can if you prefer. To cut the potatoes by hand, cut away a tiny part of the potato so it stands on its own without rolling away, and then slice it into 1/4-inch slabs. Stack the slabs and then cut them into 1/4-inch sticks. A French fry press or a mandolin with a fry blade is helpful, especially if you make many French fries. You can find them online. Make sure you look for a heavy-duty one. Now the potatoes are cut into fries, we need to soak them in cold water for at least 30 minutes. When you bake fries without soaking them in water, they tend to stick to each other and the baking sheet. They also bake up to be gummy and don't crisp as well, so we always soak them. While the fries soak, we make our seasoned salt. Stir together 1 teaspoon of sea salt with a 1/2 teaspoon each of ground pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. This makes too much for 1 batch of fries, but you can store it for a year. Now it's time to dry the fries. Damp fries won't brown in the oven, so we take care to dry them well. A salad spinner is helpful, or you can use a clean dish towel and pat them dry. Rinse and dry the bowl you used to soak the fries and add the dried fries back to it, along with 3 tablespoons of oil and 1½ teaspoons of seasoned salt. Then toss well. Spread the fries onto a baking sheet, then bake in a 375° Fahrenheit oven without moving them for 20 minutes. Increase the oven to 425° Fahrenheit and then bake until they are golden and crisp, another 15 to 25 minutes. You can give them a stir to promote even browning. And that's it. Crispy, golden brown baked French fries. I love these so much, especially with that seasoned salt. Find more tips like what baking sheet we use, making them in an air fryer, and storing them on Inspired Taste. Enjoy, and see you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.